All right, we just got that baby fired up. This is an amazing sauna I'm going to tell you about in a second. Colin and I are going to take a sauna. But before we do that, we are doing spring cleaning at the yard. And you can see we've got all of our like beautiful, wacky creations over the last couple of years here. And we have a bunch more amazing things at Superior Sauna that we're building right now. And we got to make room for it. And that's good news for you because we got to sell all this stuff at bargain basement pricing. But I'm going to walk you around and let you know each of them because this stuff, all of it has a really cool story. I'm going to start here with what we call our Double Dragon. This was a huge hit out at our Therma Culture Bathing event in New York City and Brooklyn. It was also there at the Great Northern here in Minneapolis. This thing, we took two mods, we put them together so you get an awesome changing room. But you have a beautiful wood-fired bump out with our Mod6 awesome athletic benching, but an awesome, just luxurious changing area. We put it all on a big drop-down trailer for you. So this one, it's got awesome Thermory exterior, but it's like $30K. You could do it for your business. Just take it to your lake place at home. Beautiful views. This was our changing room, but this can be an amazing sauna. $5K just for this. It's a Mod6 layout. It's even got creedy lighting in the top. All it needs is a stove and you're all set. We've even got a platform for you. This is one of our Mod6s that we had over at Prize. It's been there for the last year. It's got one of our most popular stoves. It's the ICY wall-mounted 9 kilowatt Wi-Fi athletic benching. This one is also really cool. It's got awesome starlight creedy constellations in the ceiling. This one, what do we got this one for, Colin? This is for, I don't know,
15K?
15K, really?
Yeah.
With the creedy lighting? All right, well,
I know.
great. This is our Leil sauna. It's a wood-fired, beautiful mirrored finish on this baby. These things are great saunas. They're a great partnership, but they are a bear to put together. We did it for you, so you don't have to worry about that at all. What do we got on the price on this one? This one, gosh, $22,500, and it comes complete with your juniper wall interior, which is a big upgrade. The smell on this one is incredible. Honestly, this was a huge hit out in New York City at our festival this last time too. It's a great, great sauna, all thermally modified wood. We're coming around here to our beautiful little patio. We're fixing up this AITO for you. It was one of their first iterations. It's a great box model, and it's all CLT construction. The price on this AITO is $20,000. If you can get an AITO for like 30% off, that is incredible. Thermory barrel. This is the big size barrel with the front patio area. It's locked, but you'll see in there we've got one of the best functioning stoves. Actually, it's an ICY wall-mounted mini. It delivers huge power, but it sits nicely below the window there. I love these Thermory barrels, especially the big ones for tall people. You can actually stand. AITO's there. I'm going to tell you about that in a second. This is another Leil sauna. This is a Patio L. We love this design because it's got a luxurious changing room in it. Look at this thing. This one we just put together. We were going to take it on a couple of our festivals. We ended up not. It's been here. It has never even been used. We're going to sell it to you for $18K, and we built the whole thing. And honestly, this takes like a week to build. So you save on all that cost. We'll ship it and bring it out to you. Smaller Thermory barrel. We are going to do some touch-up work on it. We'll get it in pristine shape for you. But that smaller one, great price point, and it's got an awesome stove in it as well, Wi-Fi.
Let's see. That one is 10K.
We're right here at our Löyly Lounge as we come by. This one started the Superior Sauna Mojo. We took it to the first Great Northern. We had amazing parties in it. It's got sentimental value, so I'm not sure we'll sell it, but whatever. If you offer us a decent price for it, we'll do it as well. This could start up your sauna business. And then right here, this is our prototype #1 of our modular technology. This one is all natural cedar and natural incense cedar. We were going for a little Japanese lantern garden kind of approach to it. This one looked gorgeous at night. Honestly, we're going to sell this one for probably about $5K. So We want to get rid of these because we have some amazing new saunas coming in. One is our partners with AITO. They're really bringing in these wonderful new product. This has got 5 to 6 inch thick CLT, which has got amazing thermal mass to it. And you'll see it at Sauna Day this year. We have our new oblique sauna, which is another CLT flat pack, quickly built sauna. It's got a mid-century modern, uniquely American aesthetic to it. God, we love this new sauna. We installed the first one just yesterday down in Austin. It's great. And our partners at ICY, just be quiet for a second. I don't hear a thing. Do you? This cold plunge is on, functioning at high commercial level filtering and use. It's silent. All of the cold plunges in the market sound like massive refrigerators in your backyard. Why would you want to disturb your peace with that? ICY's developed one that's just perfect. And look at how beautiful it is. Be one of the first to get these in the US as well.
Yeah, one of the first to get these in the US. This could be your opportunity. We have 3 of them ready for you. For your business or your backyard. It's incredible. All right, show them the AITO. And then we got to get...
I just love this thing. It's got the creamy lighting. It's got a beautiful big patio. Come inside. Oh, the heat already is fantastic. AITO's partnered with EP to bring over one of their most popular stoves in the world, the Kivi EP. Look at this firebox. It's got that beautiful EP technology with a cylinder sort of tube for longevity and double burn. It keeps this is specifically designed to keep the front of this beautiful thing soot free and such. Beautiful EK, literally, they even sent the EK European chimney stack. It's amazing. It's
already 175 at the bench level.
Perfect sauna tip. We got to go take a sauna. Come join us down here. Play with us and come and take home a great sauna for your family. Bye.
Amazing.